Tell the people where we at, what's going on, Pick'ems.
Okay, so let me let me get the thing. So we're officially at the Red Jasper, is what it's called. The Red Jasper. I think they have a TikTok page. We'll post it at the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would say it's pretty cool. It's relaxing. I love the sound of water and stuff, though. Plus, you come down here, you can drink. They say you can't bring your outside drinks, but they ain't checking your pockets. You know what
No,
I'm
they're
saying?
not checking your pockets.
And then you come down here and smoke. So enjoy it, check it out. It's different falls. Of course, I got the video posted, so check it out.
Yeah, they sell a little food. I think it's like hot dogs and what else is on there?
Hot dogs, chili dogs, fries, and stuff like that, nachos, stuff like that.
Yeah, we don't come for that.
Go check it out, though. But yeah, pretty cool place. It ain't that far to walk to, though, so.
Not at all. Just if you're in a wheelchair, you'll be watching. There's an observation deck, so you probably won't be able to get as
Your
close.
ass to be upstairs in a wheelchair.
Yeah, you can still see the falls though, so I wouldn't say not come. Just know that if you do come, you won't be able to get as far.
You ain't getting down here.
Yeah, no, you won't get this close, but you'll still be able to see it.
Make sure y'all hit that like button. Give us a subscribe. Leave some comments. Let us know. Have you been here? Would you like to come get it?
Yeah.
Or come see this?
And also, let us know at the bottom of the video what else we should check out.
Yeah.
It's always something new every
And go
time
check
we
out our
go.
other videos.
Yes.
We out of here. Pictures of Nelly Nell and Big Funny. We are here at the waterfall. So we about to go check it out. I think why I say it's closed online because I think they changed the name. What was it called at first? I think it's called Freedom Fall or Freedom Waterfall or something like that. So I think it might be called Ice Cream Waterfall now. So let's go check it out. As soon as you come in, it's a walkway to go that way. There's a stop right here. They got stuff, you get you some drinks right here, some snacks and stuff right there. And of course they got the little stuff right there, but we're gonna stop. Hot dogs, cheese sticks, and stuff like that. And we are more interested in the drinks. Check it out. Let's get some. We got a choice of a whole bunch of IP beers and stuff like that. I don't know if y'all can see that. But they got all right here. As soon as you come in, let's check it out. And right down here, you can also walk down here, but the falls is right here. You can see it right here. And right here, you can stay up here, drink if you want to. Or you can walk down and see the falls if you want to. It's beautiful. Like the sound of it. Nice. This is why you can't find it online when it says closed. It is now called the Red Jasper.
Yeah,
so that's why you would have to look at this because they sold it and somebody bought it. Yep. It ain't that bad of a walk to get here, but if you're in a wheelchair, you might want to stay up here because once you get right here, unless somebody will help you down, it's over.
It's over. It's a lot of stairs, so you gotta get some good working legs so you're gonna stay over on that side.
Drinks cheaper than the stadium.
They really are.
Yeah.
So these were $6, and these are fairly sweet. I asked them which ones taste good, which ones are sweet, and they recommended these. They said they don't drink, but this was the ladies' order, so it's really good. It's made in Nashville, so you can find it there.
So got the cornhole out here. They got a couple of hammocks over there. And they do have bathrooms down that way. Porta potties. So you all good. Got everything you need. No lifeguard on duty and don't take your ass past the ropes. That's what they say. If y'all could, if y'all know what type of tree this is or what the hell this is on this tree, though, we have no idea what are these. What type of tree is this? Ain't a buck out there in Ohio, I know that. Snakes occur naturally in this area. Keep your ass on the path. You got snakes here? Oh, hell no.
That's whatever it is.
Y'all know what that is, let us know. That's one little tree. I don't know what that is. Snakes on the plane and in here.